Grayscale's forthcoming spot Ether ETF may be on the brink of experiencing substantial daily outflows. Projections from Kaiko analysts suggest that it could witness an average of $110 million in outflows each day, mirroring the initial performance of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust when it converted to an ETF. This significant outflow potential brings up pressing questions. What effects will this have on the newly launched Ether ETF and the broader Ethereum ecosystem? Drawing parallels to the GBTC's early market behaviors offers critical insights. On January 11, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust transitioned from a closed-end fund to an ETF, resulting in 23% of its assets under management exiting the fund in the first month, a staggering $6.5 billion. If the Grayscale Ether Fund, which currently holds an AUM of $11 billion, follows a similar trajectory, we could see an exodus approaching $110 million of daily average outflows, which would constitute approximately 30% of Ether's average daily trading volume on Coinbase. One compelling aspect driving these outflows is the notable discount to net asset value, NAV, at which the Ether ETF has been trading. Recently, the Ether ETF's discount reached up to 26%. However, with the ETF transition, it's anticipated that these outflows or redemptions could narrow the discount, similar to the pattern observed with GBTC. Post-conversion, the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF saw its discount decrease dramatically. Prior to its transition, it traded at a 17% discount, which reduced considerably, reflecting improved market confidence and demand. Currently, the Ether ETF has experienced a substantial reduction in its discount to NAV in anticipation of the SEC's approval of the spot Ether ETF. Before the SEC's initial nod on May 23, the Ether ETF traded with over a 25% discount. By May 24, amid speculation and subsequent approval, this discount had impressively decreased to 1.28%, indicating positive investor sentiment. Despite these potential large-scale outflows, there remains a silver lining. According to Kaiko analysts, the approval of the Ether ETF is expected to have long-term favorable implications for ETH as an asset. Notably, removing some of the regulatory uncertainties that have plagued ETH's performance over the past year could bolster its overall market standing. It's crucial to note that while GBTC experienced initial outflows post-transition, these were eventually counterbalanced by substantial inflows into other Bitcoin ETFs. This redistribution and eventual stabilization suggest a similar possibility for the Ether ETF. This transition phase presents both risks and opportunities. While significant initial outflows could create volatility, the long-term effects might strengthen Ethereum's position within the financial markets. The approval of the Ether ETF potentially marks a pivotal moment, alleviating long-standing regulatory concerns and perhaps attracting new investors. It's also important to track how these market dynamics play out. Investors and market participants will closely monitor the early days of trading to discern the fund's performance accurately. These developments will not only reflect on the ETF itself but could also set a precedent for future cryptocurrency-based ETFs, impacting investor behavior and market strategies moving forward. As we await further regulatory decisions and market responses, staying updated on the latest trends and analyses will be critical for navigating these turbulent yet exciting times in the cryptocurrency market. If you're passionate about cryptocurrency and want to stay informed on the latest developments, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on the future of the Ether ETF and its potential impact on the crypto market, especially on Ethereum investment, crypto ETF, Ether Fund, Ethereum ETF, crypto investment, blockchain ETF, ETH ETF, Ether trading, cryptocurrency fund, crypto portfolio, Ethereum index, blockchain investment, digital currency ETF, crypto index fund, and Ether price.